Here we are. So this is the first. Yeah. Oh, thank you. You're so welcome, and thank you too. Right. All right. Wait. I just realized my microphone was off. I might have been offline the entire time, but we're gonna go. We're gonna go. Moving forward. Ah, this is the. You can see it in the thing. This is the. Oh, it's gardenia. Fragrance sachet, and this is what you put like in the drawers and the closet, and you can see it right there. It's right there. So let me just show you something. So the first plant, right? So that is this right here. Okay, that what you're looking at is this. Now this, everything smells so sweet that it's just a lot. There's a lot of fragrance, coming together. So that's this one. Okay, so it's 12 of them, and they are in their own little packs. Okay, here we go. I just want to show you how it is. So you have a little string to tie it with, It smells really good. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Oh wow. Oof. It smells really refreshing. Oh wow, it's really nice. Because the issue I was having is I have a lot of fragrance and stuff around the house, and I even have sprays and stuff, but I feel like I want more scents in different places. And so for example, like even in the closet and stuff, I feel like I would like to have some refreshing scent. So when I open the door, I can get that refreshing scent. So that was a challenge I was having. So this for me is a really, really great solution. And I'm looking forward to it working. So because I'm gonna put it in different places, the closet, in the bathroom. Like I just want it in different places so that the place just stays refreshed. You know what I mean? Yeah. So that's why. Wow, this is lovely. I like it. I like both of them. Actually, this smells really nice. It's a really, really nice scent. Really nice scent. Oh, and look at this one. It's one of the flowers. So this one is. Let me show you this one. Wow, this is really lovely. I like it. Oh, look at that. Wow, so that's this one. Yes, and I got this one because I have some pots, some flower pots around the house, and I just want to put these in it. Wow, isn't that pretty? This is actually a rose. This is a rose. Wow. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Oh, the smell. Oh, I like this. Oh, roses. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite scent. Wow, it's dried roses and stuff. Wow. And it's a packet. It's two packets. Nice, very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, can you still see me? I hope you can still see me. I want you to see it too. Okay, I'm still here. Hello. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I'm going to just put this. I want you to see it, actually. Yeah, I like to see it. No mind me, I'm having a good time. Hi. And this, the Japanese cherry blossom. So here we go. So this is a kit. There we go. And it has its own little bag. Oh, so cute. So you can, it's like a traveling kit. Traveling size. It's beautiful. Light. Yeah. Yeah, that's I really like that scent. So that's a body splash, body mist, and then this is the lotion, hand lotion, and then we have a little shower gel. Shower gel. Yeah. And it's funny because I had a set and the shower gel just finished. Now the final thing, is it? Oh, it's not. All right, let's leave this for last. The next thing. All right, so this is next. This, oh my gosh, I've wanted this for a long time. I actually bought something because I wanted something to like wash my back properly. And I do have something, but I needed a brush because sometimes it's not just my back that I find that I'd love to have ease to reach, but sometimes my thighs, and sometimes when I'm tired or after I work out and if I'm feeling really tired, I wish I just had a brush to just, scrub my body properly and can wash my legs as well, so I don't have to always bend and stuff. So that's why I bought this one. I actually saw some that were, oops, hold on, hang on. I saw some that were electric and I thought about it, but I think I wanted to test something first before I spend more, So it comes with this extra one, I guess. Oh, I guess I put it down here. I'm not sure how it works. I don't know if I put it down here or you can take up one of these. I'm going to figure that out later, or this is just something you have and hold. Oh, perhaps. But it's like silicone-ish. Like silicone. Like it's pretty soft. But it feels like silicone. Like that thing that you use to brush the brush that you use in the kitchen for like to brush the oil or whatever. That's the same way it feels. It's like silicone. I'm not sure that's what's written there, but yeah, it's very soft. Very, very soft. Yeah. Yeah. Then I enjoy this. Mm-hmm. It's very soft. Very soft. Oh, wow. Very soft. Yeah, it's very soft. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very, very nice. Can I do there? Okay. So now the final thing. I bought this for my ASMR videos. My ASMR videos. I bought it for my food videos. This is a food warmer. Yeah. Oh. All right. So that's what this is. So let's open it. I'm excited about this. All right. Woo. We have plug right here. Plug. Yeah. It's very soft. Ah, okay. Oh, okay. That's the power button. The switch. I can put it away. Okay. Right. Let's have that thing. Oh, oh, okay. Okay. Oh, this is what the back looks like. Okay. Oh, interesting. Suspect the white thing is the this is the heater, and then this is so I'll show you when I use it. Oh wow, yeah, it's fair enough. Yeah, I like it. I like it. I really like it. So there we go. So that's our unboxing. Love to open new packages. I will give you the latest information on top funding opportunities for entrepreneurs who are seeking funding. Come along with me and Coach Racquel, and it is this is a passion project for me, so I am so happy to bring this to you. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for watching.